Welcome back to Dinar Current. If you're holding Iraqi dinar, what I'm about to share could change everything you thought you knew. This isn't clickbait. This is a warning, an opportunity, and most of all, a wake-up call. Because what's happening behind the scenes in Iraq and the global banking world is moving fast, and if you're not prepared, you could miss out. Or worse, lose everything. Screen flashes. Watch this before it's too late. Welcome to Dinar Current, your go-to source for real-time updates, expert analysis, and everything related to the Iraqi dinar and global currency revaluation. Let's start with the truth. The Iraqi dinar, currently trading at around 1,300 Iraqi dinars per USD, has long been the subject of intense speculation. Investors, collectors, and even some financial insiders believe a revaluation, or RV, could skyrocket its value. But here's the catch. Cut to footage of people counting dinars, bank exchange windows, headlines about IQD. Narrator. Just holding dinar isn't enough. Why? Because the revaluation will not announce itself with a drumroll. It could come suddenly, quietly, and catch millions of holders off guard. And when it happens, bank policies, exchange procedures, and even federal regulations will determine whether you profit or get rejected. Let's break down the most critical mistakes dinar holders make, and why you need to avoid them immediately. Assuming all banks will exchange IQD. Many believe that every major bank, like Chase, Wells Fargo, or Bank of America, will accept dinar post-RV. But the truth, most currently do not accept IQD. And even after an RV, only select locations, under strict guidelines, may participate. Holding dinar without proof of purchase. Greater than, you must have your receipt or certificate of authenticity. Banks and exchange centers will require proof of legal acquisition. No receipt. They may flag your note as black market or counterfeit, thinking you'll have plenty of time to act. Greater than, once the RV happens, there could be a limited window to exchange, days, not months. If you're not ready with an action plan, you'll miss your chance. Upward Trend Segment 3. What's changing in Iraq right now? Narrator. Now, let's look at what's unfolding in Iraq, and why 2025 could be the most pivotal year yet for the Iraqi dinar. Checkmark economic growth and infrastructure. Greater than, Iraq's oil revenues are hitting record highs, with exports reaching over 3.5 million barrels per day. The country is actively rebuilding infrastructure, digitizing banking, and expanding trade. Checkmark banking reforms. Greater than, the Central Bank of Iraq is implementing new anti-money laundering protocols, linking with SWIFT systems, and modernizing monetary policy, all signals of a currency preparing for international recognition. Checkmark foreign reserves and gold. Greater than, Iraq's foreign currency reserves are now above $100 billion, with increased gold backing, giving their currency stronger fundamentals. Checkmark the push for de-dollarization. Greater than, Iraq, like many countries, is moving away from the US dollar in favor of local currency strength and regional trade deals. This strengthens the case for a future revaluation. So how will the RV happen? Let's explore 3 likely scenarios and how you need to be positioned. Gradual rate adjustment managed float. Greater than, the central bank may allow the dinar to slowly rise over months. You'll need to monitor daily rate changes and have access to real-time forex updates. Overnight revaluation. A sudden announcement, say, $1 or more, hits global news. Exchange windows may be flooded, and only pre-verified holders will be allowed to cash in. Pushpin Scenario 3. Limited exchange window. Iraq may place a 30-day exchange period, especially for holders outside Iraq. You'll need a trusted exchange path bank, redemption center, or licensed dealer already lined up. Here are 5 warning signs the RV may be imminent, and what to do if you spot them. 1. Sudden IMF, World Bank, or UN involvement in Iraq's monetary policy. 2. Major bank memos or training related to foreign currency exchange. 3. Dinar being reinstated on international forex platforms. 4. Iraq removing zeros from currency redenomination. 5. Government announcements restricting currency hoarding or unregistered notes. Each of these signs has appeared in previous RV scenarios globally. Stay alert. If you're holding Iraqi dinar, here's what you need to do immediately to protect and prepare your position. Secure your dinar properly. Keep your dinar notes in fireproof safes or secure folders. Avoid folding, tearing, or exposing them to moisture. Organize your purchase receipts. Gather all documentation showing where and when you purchased your dinar, ideally from a licensed currency dealer. Study your exit strategy. Which bank will you use? Do you need to convert into a trust or LLC first? Are you prepared for taxes? Plan this now, not after the RV. Build your currency exchange network. Connect with licensed dealers, wealth advisors, and banks ahead of time. Don't rely on internet rumors. Subscribe to Dinar Current and turn on notifications. We break news as it happens and deliver verified intel, not hype. If you're still watching, you're not just a dreamer, you're a serious investor. And serious investors prepare. The revaluation may not happen today. It may not happen this month. But all signs point to major change coming to Iraq's economy and its currency. Text on screen. History rewards the prepared. Are you ready? Because when that moment comes, the banks are notified, the rates go live, and the window opens. There will be two types of dinar holders in the world. Those who prepared, and those who watched videos like this and did nothing. Narrator. Greater than, thank you for watching Dinar Current. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow IQD holders. Leave your questions or exchange plans in the comments, we read every single one. And remember, your future might just be written in dinar. Bellhop bell subscribe for real-time updates. Turn on the bell icon. We've got you covered, every step of the way.